Sana po mas maging matatag, mas maging solid ang ating samahan dito sa TLTC po. So, mabuhay po, mabuhay ang dugong Triskelion.
Congratulations once again, and may we all, as comrades of the Three-Legged Travelers Club, walk forward in the path of light. Good evening, brothers.
President, Calter Interior, you have our support all the way, sir. Mabuhay, tawag mo Triskelion Triskelion Fraternity.
No matter how much high the honor is na ma-achieve ko, nothing can change the fact that you and I are brothers. At mas i-cherish ko po yung kapag nakita tayo, ang tawagan natin, Katie pa rin. Okay lang po ba yun mga tol?
Okay, let's raise our glasses. Here's to the next 56 years of brotherhood, leadership, and success. Here's to the next, how many years of the club together? Together we can achieve anything. Cheers! Kampay!
All the duties of my office to which I had been appointed. So help me God. Amen. Congratulations mga kapatid.
Mga kaiti ko, nagpapasalamat po ako on behalf of all the officers of the Three-Legged Club. Alam ko, napakahalaga po ng inyong oras at panahon. Walang katumbas. Dahil alanganing araw, alanganing panahon, ngunit binigyan nyo pa rin po ito ng pagpapahalaga ang ating kapatiran at ating samahan. Country, health, work, study, and fraternity. Bakit po huli ang fraternity? Kapag po tayo kuminsan napanghihinaan ng pananampalataya, nandyan ang ating mga kapatid na laging tumatapik sa atin. Kaya po huli ang kapatiran. Dito lang po kayo makakakita. 10 taon, 15 taon, 20 taon man. Walang pag-aalinlangan. Ito'y ating yayakaping muli. Muli po, mga kapatid ko, Calter Alfred G. Interior, ang inyong Pangulo, is now signing on. At your service, the best. Maraming salamat muli at enjoy. Happy anniversary mga utol ko. Thank you po.